Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connection and Sharing. Now scroll all the way down to access Print section and click on Default Print Service. Now wait. Your device is now searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to use different print service, remember to disable this one by tapping on blue switcher at the top. Then go back, click on Add Print Service, and download the best one for you. I will go with HP one. When your new service is ready, tap on the back button twice. Lastly, just click on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!